Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building something different here, and we're going to be building this little forklift build. And this is what it looks like here. So let's get right into the build now. So we'll start with the front wheels. So we're going to place down a block of coal with a stone button on the side. On the other side of it, skip one block over, put a block of coal here with a button on this side. Then in the middle, we're going to do 4 yellow concrete coming back, starting in between the wheels. Then 1 more on the back, so it's actually 5. Then put an inward facing dragon head here and here for the back wheels. And on the back, we're going to put 3 dark oak fence gates and open the middle one. Then in front of the dragon head, we're going to put a forward facing bamboo stair here and here. Then a bamboo bottom slab. And then a bamboo stair going backwards here and here. So it looks like this. Then we're going to come on top of the wheels and put a bamboo slab in the middle. Then a fence gate here, a dark oak stair here for the seat. Then we're going to put a backwards bamboo stair on each side behind the seat, 2 yellow concrete in the middle. A bamboo trapdoor on top like this, and a bamboo slab in front of it. Then a bamboo slab here and here, so it comes over the back wheels. Also, close a bamboo trapdoor on the back middle. Then we're going to put a backward facing bamboo stair here and here on either side of this fence gate. Then, on all 4 of these stairs, we're going to put a column of 2 bamboo fences coming up like this. And then on top of that, we need to do bamboo slabs. Except I glitched out and accidentally put it in the middle there. It needs to be up on top like this. And we'll do a 3x3 of bamboo slabs up here. And on the front of this, we're going to put 3 skeleton skulls for some lights. Like that. Then in bottom, on the front of this, 3 deep slate brick walls in the middle of brewing stand. And we need to get 1 more deep slate brick wall above the brewing stand. Then in front of this, we're going to put a polished blackstone stair facing forward here and here. And on top of each stair, we're going to do a column of 5 polished blackstone walls coming up each side. Then on the bottom middle, we're going to put a bamboo fence in the center. And then a column of 5 iron bars up to the top, right here. And then finally, on each side of the bottom, we're going to add 3 polished blackstone slabs like this for the forks. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our little Minecraft forklift here. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.